Hey guys, it is Thursday, September 10th, and I'm going to give you your agenda today on video so that I can walk you through this and you can stop it, rewind it, and play it as many times as you need to so that I can help other people while you're doing this. So I'd like for you to go to your classroom, classwork tab, just like you have to have gotten to be able to get this video. Normally we do our agenda first, which is today our video agenda, so we can kind of skip that. First thing I want you to do is to go to your VOH, which is your virtual open house. Click on that. There's a video there. It's a 4-minute video. I'd like for you to watch it. So pause this video, go back to your VOH video, take 4 minutes, watch this, pay very close attention to the last slide. It's very, very important. I assume that since you're listening to me now that you have watched the video and you've come back. One of the issues I'm having is a lot of people are not doing any of your work. It's very important that you do the notes so that you can understand everything else. The notes are simple. They're the same thing as the PowerPoint that I give you. We're going to go over that in just a second. I do have your DIN completely updated. It's not in order. It's completely updated. I want to show you how to get to it. You can go either right here on this assignment, your DIN assignment, and click that and get to it from this link right here. That should take you to yours, and it should be updated. I can interact with your DIN and you real time with this program that I use, this extension that I use called Slip and Slide. So you can access it here. You can go to your, class drive folder and access it there. I have access to everybody's folders and the class drive folder. I've got your folder here that I can open up and interact with you. I can talk to you while we're looking at that same DIN together. I can switch slides for you. This is where I can interact with you. This is where your DIN should also be stored. There's 2 or 3 different places it should be. So you should have this pulled up in front of you right now. Mine is on grid view. Yours probably looks like this when you pull it up. And that's okay. Yours also probably has your L3 tides and seasons slides at the top. I did that so that you would know there were changes made. So if you make everything grid view, you should be able to go in and look and see if you have everything. So you can scroll through. This is the order yours should be in when you're finished. So if you have extra slides, you can take those out. If you have slides you need to move to another place, you can do that. So I want you to pause this video, open up your DIN, make sure your DIN looks like this exactly, except for yours should have work on it. If there's any extra slides, you can toss them out. If there are slides you need, let me know. Make sure you scroll all the way down to the bottom, because some of these, because I had to learn how to use the Slip and Slide while I was working with it 4.5 hours last night. Some of you have like 5 or 6 copies extra of the notes. Toss anything you don't need. One of the kids got really smart and renamed hers DIN final, DIN all the slides, DIN L1, L2, and 3. She renamed hers so that she knew what it was, and then she put it where she knew it was. Make sure you keep yourself organized and put your DINs where you can find them quickly while you're working on them. So once you have these in order, you should have all of the notes filled out up to L3 right here. So this should be the new part right here. So if you don't have these filled out, that's what you're going to work on the rest of the class period today. If you don't have anything from L1, I don't understand how you wouldn't, but whatever. There should be a link. There's not one. I'll add it right here. At the front of every section, I put the link for the PowerPoint. You can click on the PowerPoint. You can write the notes. The PowerPoints are the exact same thing as the notes. The notes just have blanks in them. Otherwise, they're exactly the same. L2, right here. Here's the lecture video link and the PowerPoint link. So you can click on those and finish your L2. Your L3 would be the new part that you should work on today. Here's your PowerPoint for L3. And you fill in the notes. You cannot learn anything until you have the notes done. so that you have something to bounce off of when I add things to it. We've worked on this for a week. We should be finished with this unit already. You must do this work. If you don't like doing it on this format, give me a different format, but show me your work is done. I'll work with you, but you got to work with me too. So I'm going to be quiet and let you do this work. Remember, you're completing all of the slides on your DIN once you have it in order. If you have any questions, I will be helping you individually. Go get them. Get your work done. Yay!